Y'all, I really do love it because I did start using it before I filmed this video so that I would be able to give you a very good tutorial as to how it's used and how well it works. It sucks up anything so well, and I'm going to be showing you that in a few minutes, but right now I want to give you an overview of what this beauty looks like. It is really pretty. It comes with gold on it, and then it has the orange buttons on it. And this here is the charger, so you go ahead and plug it into the wall and plug it into the vacuum and let it fully charge before you begin to use it. And then you're always going to get that green notification button to let you know that it's fully charged. This is the brush cup. I'm going to show you how to put it on. It's very easy. And I did go ahead and put some rice on the counter so that I can just show you how it picks up and how quick it picks up. Like, I'm not really doing anything but just holding it. It's doing everything else. And this is the crevice nozzle tool. And this is where you can get down in the crevices of things, you know, like in between the couch or in between a chair, something like that, that you could normally can't normally reach down to. And I'm showing you right here where it's right in the crevice of the chair, and you're going to see it just pick up so easy. I love this little tool, and it's so lightweight, y'all. It's not heavy at all. And this is the tiny tool. This is the additional filter that comes with it. Thank you again, VacLife, for sponsoring this portion of today's video, and there will be a coupon code in my description box.